Hello to all. Today I will explain that how we can implement if else conditions and few more things. Let's go to our Jupyter notebook. I have written some questions over here which will help us to know how if else condition works. Now according to question first, let's take a number from the user. So for taking the number for a user we use input function and we have to check the number which we have given it is even or odd, and if it is divided by 2 it is even, and if it is not divided by 2 it is odd. For that I write it here: if number, it can be any name, if num modulus 2 equal to 0, equal to is here to check or to compare. If it is equal to 0 then print it is even, and if it is not then print it is odd. We can we can see here by executing after executing them we have a error. It is a typecasting error. We should always remember, if we are using input it always take number or anything in a string, so we have to convert that into integer. For that we have to use int over here outside the input, so that it convert it into int and then stored into a num. Then we can check our num is divided by 2 0, then print number is even, and else number is odd. After executing them we can enter any number like 5, number is odd. Now according to our second question, we have to take a number from user, and by using if else condition we have to decide this number is greater than 10 or not. So for that, same as above, we have to convert the input into integer. And if num1 num1 is greater than 10, then print the number is greater than 10, else print the number is smaller than 10. According to question number 3, we have to take a string from user and check if length of string is greater than 5, then print greater than 5, and it is if it is smaller than 2 then print it is. Okay, now a little bit question is wrong. If it is smaller than 5 then print it is smaller than 5. Now we are taking input from the user and stored into a str1 variable, and after that we have to use len function to calculate the length of the string. If it is greater than 5 then we have to write the length of the string is greater than 5, and if we have to use elif here if we are using conditions, but in else parameter we have do not provide any condition over here. We have to use elif if length of string equal to 5, then print the length of the string equal to 5, else if this both above both equations are not true then it will execute this condition, it is smaller than 5. And according to question number 4, we have to check number is positive, negative or 0. For same that we have to convert into a int, then we can apply the same conditions as above. If it is greater than 0 then it is a positive number. If it is smaller than 0 it is a negative number. And if above both equations are wrong then it will become true. And according to question number 5, we have to give a number from input and check negative or positive, but if it positive, then we have to check the number is two digit number or one digit number. For that, here it is example of a nested if else conditions. We can use if and else in a if and else condition also. Like that, we are taking an integer and stored into a c variable. If c is greater than 0, then it is a negative number. If and if it is not true, we have to apply all these conditions. Like we have to print this number is positive. After that, we have to check the length of c, and now we cannot check the length of a integer. So we have to convert into a str operation. Same as above, we are converting into int. We have also a typecasting operation for by using str. And length of string c is greater than 2, then it is 3 or more digit number. And if length of c equal to 2, then it is a 2 digit number. And if these both equations are not true, then it will become true. After, I will show you by executing them. We are taking any number like 23. Now it will check if it is a greater than 0 or smaller than 0. It is greater than 0, then it will execute this. It is a positive number. Then it will check, then it will convert into a string, and then it check what is the length of that variable. Now it will check if it is greater than 2, then write 3 or more digit number. And if the length of a string is equal to 2, then it print a 2 digit number. And if both are become false, then it will become true. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.